Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Dirtiest Workshop and Rider of the Storm. I'm here with my XR 650L. It was a dirt morning, not a dirt day, but a dirt morning. We're midsummer. It is Texas, and we're getting up in the triple digits just about every day. When you're doing that, you have to think about when you're going to get home. What are you going to do if your bike fails? You know, who are you going to call? All that stuff. Do you have power to call? Have to think about those things. You know, heat can create an emergency very quickly when your bike fails. Now, how do you protect yourself? Well, the first thing you should do is this. Okay, if you're out there riding and you're feeling a little woozy or weak, unzip. That's going to help you a lot. Now, something else you can think about before you get on your bike. Wear different pants. Pants that let the air in, right? So these are just cotton. They let the air through, and the air goes all the way up inside and around. So it's really comfortable. This is what you want to see when it's going to hit the triple digits. Something where the air flows. You don't want to wear that vinyl carbon stuff that people sell you these days because they're just going to trap all the heat in your legs. And then you're going to overheat up here and here, and that's really bad. So, don't wear those body armor motocross things because you'll just burn up. Wear something that lets the air through. When I get on the highway and I'm going nearly 80 miles an hour home, and I was doing that for about an hour, I'm ventilating. The air's coming in here and up through here, and it's keeping me alive. So, if you have triple digit heat, change the way you think about the way you dress. Not just up here, but down here. This is Christopher Thunder from the World's Dirtiest Workshop saying bye-bye.
What the hell am I looking at? When does this happen in the movie?
Now. You're looking at now, sir. Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
We passed then.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now.
When will then be now?
Soon.